We have 3 questions here. First, find the sum of the first 50 odd numbers. Now, the odd numbers would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. You can see that they form an arithmetic progression where A is 1 and the common difference is take a number, subtract the previous number, and you get 2. Common difference is 2. So what you're being asked for is the sum of an arithmetic progression. So S50 equals, here we have the formula over here. The sum of the first 50 is 50 divided by 2 times 2a, which is 1, plus 50 minus 1 times d, which is 2, which gives you 25 times 2 plus, and this will be 50 minus 1, which is 49. And you have 49 times 2, which is 98. So 2 plus 98 is 100. So 25 times 100. Here, the sum of the first 50 odd numbers would be 2500, 2500. Alright? Let's look at B, the sum of the first 50 even numbers. Here, we start with 2, and 4, 6, 8, and it goes on and on. So it is an arithmetic progression, where the first term A is equal to 2. The common difference, again, is 2. Take any number, any term, and subtract the term before it, you get 2. So the sum of the first 50 even numbers would be 50 divided by 2 and over 2 times 2 times 2 plus 50 minus 1 d, where d is 2. So you have 25 times 2 2 is 4 plus 49 times 2 is 98. So you have 25 times 98 plus 4 is going to be 102. So we continue down here. So the sum of the first 50 even numbers is going to be 25 multiplied by 102 will give you 2550. Alright? So that's what you have. Now, let's go back up. We have this one to do. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and work out part C. So, go ahead now. Alright, good. You've paused the video and you work this out. Here, we have an arithmetic progression. This is an arithmetic series. 4 minus 1 gives you 3. 7 minus 4 gives you 3. You can see that the common difference here is 3. The first term is 1. Alright? But the question is, how many terms do you have? This only shows the last term, you know. Let's see something here. The nth term, an, is a plus n minus 1 d. In this case, is 1 plus n minus 1 times 3. and that gives you 151. So there's that last term is 151. So A is 1, so 1 comes here. D is 3, so D3 comes here. So this 1 plus n minus 1 by 3 is equal to 151. And we want to calculate n. So we have 1 plus n minus 1 by 3 is equal to 151. If we subtract 1 from each side, we have 1 minus n minus 1 by 3 equal 150. When you divide by 3, you get n minus 1 equals 150 over 3, which is 50. So therefore, you add 1 to both sides and n is equal to 51. So there are 51 terms here. Right? Now, let's partition the board, work over this side. So, the sum of the first 51 terms is equal to 51 divided by 2, 2 times A, which is 2 times 1, plus n minus 1, in this case 51 minus 1, times the common difference of 3. So this sum is 51 divided by 2 times, 2 ones 2, plus 51 minus 1 is 50. 50 by 3 is 150. So you have 51 over 2 times 152. Right? So you work that out. What do you get for that when you work it out? It's going to be 51 divided by 2. It's going to be 25.5 times 152 will give you S of sum of the first 51 terms of that sequence, of that series, is 3876. 3,876. Alright, so there you have that. We've answered these 3 questions. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.